This is a video I'm going to make called Things People Do Wrong in Perspective, okay? So, right here, the name of the game is Vanishing Point, all right? Shh. Now, some of you guys, in your life, you learned how to make like a 3D letter that was kind of like this. And that's not incorrect, okay? Like that's a way to do that stuff, but you're not quite a perspective expert, okay? So the thing that people have been doing is a couple of things. Let's look at number 7. Or let's start with number 2. Sometimes a person will just make lines in a direction. They're like, doo-doo-doo, looking good. What's the problem? What's the problem? Megan? They're not going to the vanishing point. What he should have done. And if it helps you to go from the vanishing point to the corners, then do that. I'm doing it in a weird way, so I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Thank you so much for being quiet. I'm making a video. Also, I'm teaching, so you should be quiet. Shh. Okay. Now, number 7. What I was saying was, once you're going from the corner to the vanishing point, but if there's something in the way, there's 2 things you don't do. This is what you don't do. You don't say, well, let me just match up some corners here. No. Why? Someone tell me why. Go ahead, Colton. Supposed to go to the vanishing point. Oh, it's supposed to go to the vanishing point, so like this?
No.
Why not?
Because it always wrote it.
Why, Colton? Because it needs to stop, right? It needs to stop here. So, now let me do it correctly. So I'm going to go from the corner. I line it up to the vanishing point, which is hard to see because I have so many lines right now. Shh, thanks for being quiet. And we stop it, right? And then this one here. Mr. Colton to the office for just a sec. Relax. Okay. Okay, and oh, here's another one. I'm pretty sure I know how to do this. Let me just.
Awesome. What you do?
What's wrong? Who said it? No ruler. That's sloppy, right? Okay. So these are some of the things I want you to not do. Now, if you weren't here yesterday, you're just gonna have to catch up on your own. The rest of y'all's. Let's move. We're going to shapes.
We already did one shape. We did
All of them?
Besides for the last letter.
We did all the shapes?
Yeah.
All right.
Besides for the letters. Jackson, you're Jackson. Why are you doing that with a ruler making all sound? This one?
Okay, crew. We're gonna start because, thanks for listening. Let's start with this T because it's already been started. What I want you to pay attention to is like, when there's a bend, if we can get to it, then it goes to the vanishing point. Am I making a line from here to the vanishing point? Why not?
Because there's no way.
Because it's Because it's behind. We wouldn't see that. What we would see though is this one. So I lined it up with the vanishing point. And once I hit the T though, I stop. Hit the T. So that's the line I just made. I'm not making it up, guys. I'm not just like whoop, whoop. It goes to the vanishing point. Now this one here, also to the vanishing point. And then this up here to the vanishing point. And that looks cool. Thanks. How about, shh. Staring contest.
No. I'm so bad at these.
You win. My eyes dry. Okay, let's start with the A. I'm gonna start up here. I line it up to my vanishing point.
There's a vanishing point up there too. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh,
All right, vanishing point for the A, you're right. Okay,
good job,
Mo, you're my hero.
There's 4.
All right, so there's one line. Two lines. Lining up to the vanishing point. So, don't forget about these guys. Please, pretty please, don't be lazy. Line it up to the vanishing point. We're not here for you. This is not one where you take artistic license. This is like architecture school. Super duper. Let me cook, as Mo says. Let me cook. Let's cruise on down to the E.
And then we have another vanishing point E. Why did you X out the vanishing point?
X marks the spot.
Oh, so stupid. Whoa.
There's a lot to do on this one. So 2 at the top here, 2 in the middle. I mean, that's looking awesome, right?
That is awesome. Why is yours
And then
better than mine? It's fine.
Templates left over here. I'll send another square one to Jack. He's looking for one with circles.
it
should be in here.
Yeah. So don't forget about these guys. Don't sleep on these guys, right? It does look sick. Okay, thanks for watching. So, shh. Guys, if you wanted to make this be like a little more dramatic,
I'm not that dramatic. Mine looks
So I'm not coloring all the areas, just some of them. Because if I color all the areas, then there will be no difference, right? Yep. I know, I'm full of, okay, stop it, Zooks. Mind your own beeswax, dude. All right, Groovy, let's move on to the U. X marks the spot, you right. Here we go. I know, that's tricky because I think if you were going to do the inside of the U, you'd do it like right here.
I'm gonna do it. See what it looks like. Oh, it looks fine. You say this looks fine? Good enough.
So that was like where it bends. Cool. E-O.
Video.
Okie dokie, thank you for listening. One more. Okay, kids, now you're going to have to pay attention.
Okay, kids, let's go, kids. Let's go, guys. Yeah, I skipped that.
Listen, I mean this. What I need is for you to listen, and what I don't want to hear is, what? Ugh. Just be quiet, and all will be revealed.
Are we just gonna follow along?
Follow me. Here we go. Shh. Step one is draw a horizontal line. This is called the horizon. Horizon line. The horizon line is where the earth meets the sky. Cool. Next, on the horizon line, I'm going to put my vanishing point. Okay. Shh. Above the horizon line, on the like if these were quadrants, I would have in quadrant number 1, I'm going to draw a square, rectangle, what have you. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to make it perfect. What makes a square a square?
4 equal sides. 4 right angles.
4 right angles. How many?
Parallel.
How many degrees is a right angle?
90.
Nice work.
Yeah.
Shh, here we go. Now I'm gonna, my 3 corners. Draw these lines lightly because we're gonna change them later. Okay, I see people have drawn squares, but they haven't made the corners go to the vanishing point, boys. So let's do that. Now, shh. Shush, please. This is very challenging for people, so I want you to pay attention. What we see here, to make this be like a floating cube, is we need to create a right angle here. It is the hardest part of perspective, and kids are screwing it up constantly, and so are adults, because it's hard. So, I need you to understand, for these lines, it is straight up and down, or it is straight right and left. You are echoing this angle. So, I'm gonna show you what is not right. Kids will go like this. 1, 2. Is that a right angle?
No, that's not two things.
Correct, it is obtuse. So, what I need to do is, you can eyeball it. You can kind of just slide it down. Go over, straight up and down. Then, I gotta turn the corner. And it goes like this. Erase this.
Erase the line?
I mean, I don't mean to sound like a wise guy when I say this, but also the directions are right up here. So let's not act so shocked, okay? Good. Then you should be good at it.
Oh no! Wait, this is something we just made a 3D box. I could have made a 3D box so easily. Yeah, I could have done this.
Okay. Shh. We are on number 6. Do the same down here. That's right. And then straight up and down. Doot, 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 doot. Well, it can be a square or rectangle. I just was, working quickly. Yeah.
Oh, I don't want it. That one looks good. Don't. Okay. That was way better. Wait, all you gotta do is wait.
Okay, wonderful. Number 10 is just telling you to repeat, but on the other side, right? So let's do it. I'm just moving right along here. Now, even though it's not on your sheet, I want you guys to feel free to experiment with some other stuff. What if it was right above? This one's actually going to be pretty easy. Sure. Stop it. Yep. What about if it's on the horizon line? What? Shh. Disgusting.
No, I'm not. And he's breaking them.
Ew.
No.
Stop.
Wait, what did he say? That's not a good. Oh my god.
And so on.